Hello everyone, I'm here at the Inn at Aspen in Aspen, Colorado. This is a room tour of room 2206. When you walk in the room on the left-hand side, you have a place to hang your coats, bags, gloves, whatever you got. I'm sure in the winter that is really useful. Then on the right-hand side is a closet area. You have pillows, blanket, sheets. There's some robes. And then you have a humidifier, ironing board. And then over here we have our little kitchenette type thing. So you have a water kettle, microwave, refrigerator. Oh, this is like a 1-cup coffee maker. Let's turn the light on. There we go. There's also a plug up there for the water kettle and probably the 1-cup coffee maker. And the bathroom. The bathroom is rather small, but you have what you need. There's a sink. Down below in these baskets we have a hair dryer and extra toilet paper, Kleenex, hand towels. Something you don't see very often, that is a heat lamp. The shower and bathtub. And then their amenities are just generic Inn at Aspen, it looks like. Same with the hand soap and lotion. Let's turn it on. There you go, heat lamp. So it's set by minutes. Let's turn it off. Okay. And then this is a king room, so we have a king bed. So you have an alarm clock. It's got a couple of outlets, a USB, I think a USB-C. You have another USB, USB-C, 2 outlets. Drawer, chair, trash, place to put your suitcase. You have another set of drawers here. They're pretty deep. TV. You have a mirror, your light, a place to sit and eat if you need to, or just hang out. I mean, in the winter, I'm sure some people play games, cards, whatever. You have a place to do that. Couch. That's a pull-out couch is what she told me, so you can sleep a couple people there. Nice big mirror there. You can check your fit before you go out on the town. Now, let's go outside and see what we got out here. We have the pool. Pool, hot tub, and I guess a kiddie pool. I don't know. And then we have Buttermilk Mountain here. I lived across the street from here for many, many years, from 1995 until 1993. This used to be a hike I used to do all the time. I used to come by this hotel in the summer almost every day. Never stayed here. This is my first time, and I mean, you can't beat the view. Too bad it's, there's a lot of fires, so it's very smoky. We haven't had any rain to speak of in months. But anyway, I guess that's it from here in Aspen, Colorado, at the Inn at Aspen. And thank you for watching, and have a fabulous day. Bye.